Is your fridge not working like it used to? How about your oven, washer, dryer, other major appliance in your home? When you're having trouble with your appliances, your first phone call needs to be 57 Volts Repair Shop at 616-439-1459. 57 Volts will match or beat any local competitor's quotes, and we fix things right the first time using quality parts and the best service technicians. And you can feel safe knowing that even after a repair, we stand by our parts and labor with a full 1-year guarantee. That's right, 1 full year. Visit our website today and use promo code BIZ, that's B-I-Z, for 10% off your next service call. 57 Volts, best price, best service, guaranteed.
Created using Powtoon.